Two words, Renko charts. Now they've revolutionized my trading and they can revolutionize your trading in 2025 as well. And in this video, I'm going to give you a few examples of why they can do that, 5 top reasons, and then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can profit, utilize Renko charts with my help. So with that, let's get into it. But first, some examples for you to help make your own mind up why you should use Renko and make my 5 points even more obvious before we sum them up after these examples. And we start with the S&P 500 US stock market. On the left, the candlestick chart, the standard very popular candlestick chart that we see now, and on the right, the Renko equivalent. Now, what do you notice between the two? Well, one of the big flaws of trading is indecision, not knowing which way the trend's going. If you notice on the left, that S&P candlestick chart, it goes red, green, green, red, up and down all over the place. But look at that Renko chart. It's a lot more clear. The noise has been taken out and away. It's going to provide a new level of clarity to your trading. It's going to simplify. It's going to just make it a lot more easy. Now, I think you've got to agree with me that that chart on the right is far more clear in terms of those trend directions in the short, medium and longer term. Now, what is also great with Renko charts, and as the software and technical tools have developed, you can now add Japanese approach with the, I call it the Western approach, and we can put indicators together. Now I've just thrown a few on top here. Now if we go to the top, those white lines, that's a modified Bollinger Bands. We've got a orange moving average there, and below that a DMI, and at the bottom there an awesome oscillator. So if we quickly just go through some trade ideas, you could do breakouts around the Bollinger Band, say, or using this moving average to get in and out of your trade. You could use crosses of the DMI to buy and sell, or indicators such as the awesome oscillator to do the same sort of job. So you can see how really Renko can be adapted and used for many different strategy ideas. It works across all sorts of markets. And moving away from the S&P, we've got WTI crude oil here, just to show you how it looks in a different market. And what I wanted to bring your attention to also is the rules of Renko initially stated there was no time involved. Now with the chart software package, you can manipulate the Renko data. You head up into the top left here in the chart, set to daily, but you can take it down if you want to 10 minutes, 1 hour, to create different time frame approaches with inside this nice, smooth, clear Renko data. And on top of all of that, it's actually brilliant for risk management, finding potential target areas, stop loss areas. For example, let's just have a look just here. Notice how the blocks make those turning points, the support areas, a lot more obvious. And you can use Fibonacci, you can use pivots, you can use all sorts of tools on top of this to give you a different perspective. So there you go, I've overlaid Fibonacci onto the chart and it's used in exactly the same way, and it gives you different levels. So I hope you can clearly see that Renko charts can give you a whole new perspective on the world of trading and investing. So let's summarize those 5 top reasons to be using Renko charts. And number 1, it simplifies the complex, it takes out the noise and provides enhanced clarity. Secondly, it gives you an edge, a new angle approach to your trading. As you can see, it's going to help fix trading psychology. It's going to take out the emotions. Because you see the picture more clearly, it's going to create discipline, structure and improve decision making. And then, as you also can see, fabulous for strategy design And I can tell you also great for automation. I've automated Renko, built my own systems around it. All you need is the open, high, low and close data, and you can manipulate away to your heart's content. So 5 great reasons for using Renko charts. But as you'll see, there's not a lot of great resource out there on Renko charts. So how can I help you? I'm going to show you now. So if you don't want to learn the Renko charts yourself, there is a way that I can trade them for you. So if you want to get the benefit out of the Renko chart via me direct, then I can trade them for you. I've got my own fund with our sister company, IGO Financial. The fund's called IGOX. If you hit the website www.igox.co.uk, it's got all the information on there that you need to know about. You know, what is copy trading, what is IGOX, how you join the IGOX fund, a bit about me on there, why you should invest in it, how it works, the investment periods, some numbers, some facts, some stats, the traded markets that I get involved in, the strategies around Renko. There's multiple strategies I use, all based around Renko. The foundations, what makes IGOX tick, how you can simply invest in 3 quick steps. Video for you to watch there. The costs, as you'll see, it costs nothing to join with a 20% performance fee, and there's some other information you need to know there. So that's the first option. It's basically let me do it for you. The second option you've got, and if you want to learn Renko charts inside out, I've got a totally free course on my YouTube channel, and let's show you how to get there. You land on the home page, you go to the playlists. Remember the name of the channel there, @TheStopHunter. Hit the subscribe buttons, because also add to this playlist and course all the time, because there's always new stuff to add. So we click on the playlist button, you can see lots of different playlists in there. You want Learn Renko Trading. Click on there for the full list, and all you have to do is start at the very top, work your way down the page through all the different videos and modules, and it covers absolutely everything. How Renko charts work, how you put them together, the best strategies, ideas for you to test, risk management, trade management, the whole lot. It's all in there for you. 43 videos there at the moment, and I say it's pretty comprehensive. I don't think you'll find this resource anywhere else on the planet, I'm that confident. But yeah, work your way from top to bottom, and you'll come out the other side a Renko chart hero. And the final option you've got is to get your hands on my new book. It's going to be out in the first quarter of 2025, and it's going to take the free course to the next level. There's content in there that you have not seen before. Also talk about automation of Renko charts, Python, bringing it, like I say, to the next level where you can run systematic processes around the Renko charts. We deal heavily with the trading psychology of the charts, create a whole methodology for you to follow. This book is really going to be great value if you want to learn Renko charts inside out and take your trading up a notch to that next level. Then this book is highly recommended. It's going to be available globally. All good book retailers it should be available through as well. Message me if you want to learn more about that. I've also got a video I produced on the book just to give you a quick snippet insight into what the content's going to be. I'll put that at the end of this video for you to watch if you so choose to. So that's the 3 methods. So there you go. 1, you can get me to trade the Renko charts for you if you so choose. 2, you can take the free course on my YouTube channel. Or 3, you can get your hands on my new book, Renko Chart Trading Revolution, coming out in the first quarter of 2025. All those 3 options will help you master the Renko chart world and take your trading to the next level. Let me know in the comments whether you use Renko charts, come across them before. Love to hear your feedback there. I'm going to put all the detail you need to know also in the description below this video, all the important links you need to follow as well. So With that, I mentioned a few videos coming up. I'll put a link to that playlist and a link to the book, and they're coming up right now.